what I just delineated was 1900 hours. Okay, 1900 hours GMT. Now, what is 1900 GMT? If you know anything about what I've taught for a number of years, I teach that the very, very last portion of the financial trading day that is going to capsulate the high or low of the day is going to be during the 1800 hour. Now, because it's during the 1800 hour, when does the 1800 hour end? At 1900. Now, I want you to look at what price is done just between these two price points, okay? Because we're going to really, really zero in and give you, raise your hand if you saw the movie The Matrix. Raise your hand. I'm looking for it. All right. You know what I'm talking about when I say when Neo finally wakes up, if you will, and he can see. Okay, so now what we have here is delineated the 5 GMT time. Okay, now what is 5 GMT? Well, what that is midnight time in New York. Okay. Now I want you to look at price with the understanding of power 3. Okay. What does the open rally, sell into the high, and down move and close lower look like? Well, with true day perspective, okay, this is how I want you to view the price chart. Okay, this is how I want you to view the daily range. Forget what we talked about by having the control Y thing. Forget that for a minute. I want you to look at just primarily what's being shown here. Okay, I'm going to start from left to right. We have price here. Okay, 5 GMT is midnight. Okay, price rallies up, makes a high, trades lower. Okay, comes off the low, closes here at 1900 GMT. Goes in sideways consolidation during the Asian range. Okay, and then what happens at 5 GMT, midnight? Okay, it rallies. You want to sell that. Where's it going to go up to? Well, it's going to run a previous high, take out stops. Why? Because that's where liquidity is. Okay, they're going to sell into that right there because there's going to be buyers here. They have been profitable here, right? Well, this is the Judas swing, the rally up. That move, okay, that move also will be the high of the day. And we want to capture some move going lower. Now, we're going to talk about specific times of the day, but we're just going to look at the overall range that's possible for each one of these particular moves. Okay, selling, now again, I'm going to give you the worst case type scenario. I'm going to just use a little bit away from the high and not the low. Okay, so there's 38 pips. That one, well, what I'm about to show you, you're actually going to see the market for what it really is. And it's been staring in your face every single day, but you've been unaware. Okay, so now watch what happens.